Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first, we're going to start off with people who use the USB-C headphones. So if they are not detected by your phone, what you guys can do first is clean the charging port. And let me explain why. Basically, the charging port can block the connection. The dust inside of it can block the connection pretty much. So it's definitely worth cleaning the charging port. Then what you guys can do is restart the phone. But we'll get back to that once we are at the Bluetooth headphones. Now, if you're using an adapter, so you're using USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, then make sure that the adapter is original or at least certified, because we don't want any poor quality adapters that can break down any second. Now, what you guys can also do is test another pair of headphones with the same device, or test the same pair of headphones with another device. So, what you guys can do next is basically update your phone software. So we need to go over to settings. Now here in the settings, we want to scroll down until we see the system and update. Now let's click on software update, and as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. Also, it's checking for newest versions automatically, so you do not have to click anything, as you guys can see. Now, for the Bluetooth headphones, what you guys can do is go over to settings and scroll up and go to Bluetooth. Now, if your Bluetooth is enabled like that, then what you guys can do is simply disable it and wait a couple of seconds to enable it back. Now, if your headphones are already paired with the device and they are just not connecting, what you guys can do is forget them and repair them again with the same device. So we're talking about our OPPO X9 Pro right here. Now after that, what you guys can do is make sure that the headphones are charged fully, so both to 100% and also the case up to 100%, because I've had this situation once where the headphones weren't charged up to 100% and they just did not connect, but whenever I charged them up to 100, they did. So now what you guys can do is avoid the device interference. So whenever you are connected to other devices, like your tablet or anything else that has your headphones connected, then maybe the headphones are connecting there and not to your device. So what you guys can do now is restart the phone. So the way we restart the phone right here is by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now we want to scroll up until we see the restart and the green on our screen. Now our phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the phone restart, everything should be working. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.